Alright, Facebook. So today we are going to be fixing this mega crack in the bottom of this bathtub. You can see it's definitely pretty big, pretty jacked up. It's flexing a whole bunch, but we are going to reinforce this bottom with some structural fiberglass and gonna make it new. Well, look close to new anyway, but it's gonna be a good solid repair that's going to last them at least a decade. But we'll see how this turns out in a minute. Alright, now Facebook, here is what the fiberglass work looks like. There are 3 thick layers of mesh in this thing, and you can see that crack is no longer able to open up. We've got a whole brand new bottom on this thing, and we can test it out. Solid like a rock. It's not going anywhere, and now we just got to make it look nice and pretty. So now it's just to resurface the tub bottom. Alright, Facebook, here we are. This is the end result of our bottom rebuild. The color's been matched and blended in pretty nicely. And you can see we've got a nice little slip grip texture there. Nice anti-skid for apartments, keeping people safe. And that is what a bottom rebuild looks like. Save a bunch of money, save a bunch of time, get these things professionally repaired, and that's what we can do. Thanks for checking us out, guys. Have a good one. Take care.